Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Hello and big welcome to the Super Small Cap Summit. I'm Vijay, your host for today. And in a couple of minutes from now, I'll be joined by one of India's top small cap guru, Richa Agarwal. Before she joins me and reveals how you could potentially profit from the massive bull run in small caps, here's what you need to know. The next 6 to 12 months will be a crucial time for investors. The decisions you make between now and this time next year could have a dramatic effect on your wealth. You see, the markets have rallied a lot from the March 2020 lows, and we are now entering the next phase of this bull run. And the reason we have Richa here today is to guide us about how to play this crucial leg of the small cap rally. She believes that the bull run in small cap stocks is about to get even bigger over the coming months and years. And today, she is here to tell us all the reasons behind her high conviction.
For all the small cap enthusiasts watching me today, I just want to tell you one thing. This is the beginning. I believe that the next leg of small cap bull run is set to be even bigger. I expect a much bigger rally in the small caps over the coming months and years. And I'm saying this on the basis of my own study, which I'll be sharing today. Let's go back to 2009. Here is what happened then. In 2009, the markets were running up just like they're rallying now. At that time also, people had the same doubt. Stocks have rallied a lot. Should I book profits or should I be bullish and buy more stocks? But at Equity Master, we knew that the small cap revival was just beginning. So we were definitely bullish. We recommended a little known stock of a textile company in 2009. And here is what followed. In just 1 year from then, the BSE small cap index went up by 163%. And our stock was up by 180%. Now, this brought us to a point where most investors are today. So, did we book profits and exit? After all, 180% in a year is an excellent gain. No, we didn't. After all, we believed that it was just the beginning of the massive revival in small caps, just like we believe it now. And here is what happened to our stock over the next few years. After 3 years, 701%. After 5 years, 1645%. And after 7 years, 4026%. That's a staggering 4026% in just 7 years. In case you are wondering, we believe it's not time to book profits, not yet at least. In fact, we continue to hold the stock in our recommended list, and it is up a whopping 9823%. The stock that I'm talking about is Page Industries. Now, this is what I call a dark horse stock. 12 years ago, nobody would have cared about what Page Industries does. But we discovered it early and it turned out to be a first 100-bagger stock. If someone had invested just rupees 1 lakh in the stock when we recommended it in 2009, he would have accumulated a fortune of nearly rupees 1 crore today. But the reality is that most analysts and stockbrokers don't cover these small cap companies. The mainstream media mostly ignores them. And because of their small size, it's not even possible to invest hundreds of crores in them. So, big players like mutual funds and hedge funds too tend to avoid them in the early years and then get it only when the business becomes big enough for the stock to absorb huge investments. All this leaves the ground wide open for regular investors to capture humongous gains. Regular investors have limited means to research these stocks. They tend to rely on stock tips and market news and are either taken advantage of or are often late in spotting the winners. As such, by the time they wake up to the potential of these stocks, they may have already rallied by hundreds or even thousands of %. Just by focusing actively on this space, if you can identify these stocks before they begin their massive rally, then you can potentially make a lot of money in the long term. And that is exactly what I have been doing for more than a decade now. Vijay, very early in my small cap research journey, I figured that if I was going to research small caps just staring into my computer screen, it wasn't going to work. Because you see, small caps are a very different segment of stocks. Many of these small caps are very obscure companies and under-researched. There is not a battery of analysts covering them. In fact, many people have not even heard of them. And while that opens the doors to massive profit opportunities by giving you the first mover advantage on such lucrative hidden opportunities, if you pick small caps the conventional way, you're not only going to miss some of the biggest profit opportunities, but you're also likely to end up with a bunch of dubious stocks. So my team and I developed a very unique boots on the ground approach to spotting the high potential small caps. I'm proud to say over the years, my team and I have traveled across the length and breadth of the country. We have covered more than 11,230 miles and met with hundreds of small cap company managements in search of the best small cap investing opportunities for my readers. This boots on the ground research has helped me uncover many profitable investing opportunities which have gone on to deliver double, triple, and even quadruple gains in just a few years. Take for instance Balkrishna Industries, another dark horse stock. In 2009, no one cared what it did or what the share price was. The world was just trying to recover from the global financial crisis. But our research indicated that a massive revival could happen at any time. And a small cap stock like Balkrishna Industries was the best position to benefit from the upcoming revival. So we recommended it in 2009, and in just 7 years, we captured a solid 1058% gain. That's like multiplying invested money 11 times in just 7 years. Take City Union Bank. In January 2010, it was trading for just Rs 23. By then, the small cap index had rallied by over 212% since the March 2009 lows. And most investors were confused as to what to do next, whether to book profits or to be bullish. But our research told us that there was more steam left in the small cap rally and was perfect time to buy the stock. So, we recommended a buy on City Union Bank in 2010, even though the markets had already rallied by over 212%, and it paid off. Check out the chart on the screen. From January 2010 until we recommended selling in September 2016, the City Union Bank share price gained an incredible 489%. You see, these small cap companies are the backbone of the economy. In India, these micro, small companies and MSMEs as they are called, micro, small and medium enterprises contribute 30% to our country's GDP. The government aims to increase the MSME sector's share in the GDP to 40% in the next 5 years. They play a big role in India's economic growth. Not only that, they are also fastest to grow during the times of economic revival, especially the revival that begins just after some sort of crisis. Look at this chart of the BSE Small Cap Index. As you can see from this chart, there are 4 specific years which mark the start of a massive rally in small caps: 2003, 2009, 2014 and 2020. These are precisely the years when the economic revival begins just after some sort of crisis. In 2003, the world had just recovered from the carnage of dot-com crisis and the first SARS coronavirus epidemic. In 2009, it was revival after the global financial crisis. In 2014, it was a revival after the European debt crisis, and 2020 marked the year of the COVID crisis and the rapid economic revival from this crisis. India is expected to be world's fastest growing major economy in 2022. The United Nations expects Indian economy to grow at 10.1%, way ahead of China, which is projected to grow at 5.8%. And India will continue to be one of the fastest growing economies in the world in the foreseeable future. The small cap rally is set to get even bigger in the coming years. Now, this alone should excite you to grab a few high quality small caps immediately. But let me give you one more reason on why I expect the small cap rally to continue and even accelerate further. Take a look at this chart. This is a chart of small cap to Sensex ratio. It's a metric that I often refer to get a sense of relative valuations. Simply put, this is the ratio of the BSE small cap index to the BSE Sensex. And as you can see, the long-term average value of this ratio is 0.43 times, and currently we are just a little above this line. We are nowhere even close to the peak yet. So, if you truly believe in India's long-term growth story, then I would say this bull run has only begun. That's why I am confident that over the coming months and years, we could see this small cap rally get much bigger. Let me pull up the chart of BSE small cap index once more. What stands out the most? I mean, aside from the fact that the index has gained nearly 30-fold since 2003, over the last 18 years, the index has seen several massive fluctuations. And despite these occasional large fluctuations, the overall trend of the index has been up. It has gained over 2991%. A relatively small stake of rupees 1 lakh in stocks mirroring that index would now be worth over 30 lakh 91,000. And rupees 2 lakh would have turned into rupees 61 lakh 82,000. And rupees 4 lakh could have become 1 crore 23 lakh 64,000. To put that into context, the large cap Sensex index has gained 1622% over the same time frame. The US Nasdaq index has gained 988%. The gold price has gained just 440% in dollar terms, and the silver price has only gained 486% in dollar terms. So, as you can see, the small cap stocks are the best instruments for rapid wealth creation. Over the last 2 decades, they have generated huge wealth for investors, and I believe that this wealth creating surge is only going to get stronger. Well, let me tell you why. The gain of the BSE Small Cap Index is simply the movement of the market value of all the stocks in the index. It shows in as a clear fashion as possible growth in the market value of the Indian small cap companies over time. The growth in the small cap companies has a strong correlation with the economy in the long term. So, as the Indian economy grows in size, the combined market capitalization of small caps is likely to move up. Here is how it works. Growth in the economy is nothing but growth in the consumption by people. See how India's population has grown since 1960. As Indians consume more goods and services over time, corporate India is going to sell more to them. And you can see in the next chart on screen that it is not just population and economy, the GDP per capita too has grown up sharply since 1994. A higher GDP per capita bodes well for the consumption and the businesses. Now, as businesses grow, so do their profits. And with rising profits, you get higher market valuations. Best of all, India is set to achieve all this while still having a healthy savings rate and low debt to GDP ratio as compared to other nations. Plus, the evidence shows that more and more people are shifting from traditional investments such as gold and real estate to the stock market. Well, let me show you some more amazing facts. Central Depository Services Limited or CDSL has reported highest addition in the new Demat accounts during this period. As per CDSL, there was an addition of around 83 lakhs new Demat accounts in 2020 alone. That's huge because the yearly average of 3 prior years had been only 26 lakhs. In 2021, this trend has accelerated even further. This is important. An increase in people entering the market creates a huge surge of interest in small cap stocks especially. And as the chart suggests, and if my analysis is right, this trend looks set to continue in the years to come. Yes, there will be ups and downs in the interim, but over the long term, this market is only going in one direction, up. The only reasons it will stop is if Indians as a whole stop aspiring to live better lives, which they won't. India changes dramatically in a way that prevents people from doing so, and it won't. Or the world's economy comes to a grinding halt.
No chance. That's impossible.
That's precisely why we predict long-term gains for the Indian market. But more importantly, we expect even better gains from a specific stock class, small caps. These are the type of stocks with huge growth potential, the potential to achieve hundreds or even thousands of % returns. Now, in order to find such stocks with great growth potential, these stocks have to be put through a rigorous screening process. At the basic level, I look at 4 key factors. First, I look for the stocks with a high insider stake, which means that companies where the ones who are running the business have skin in the game. Second, I look at a company's debt level. Too much debt can cause problems, especially if there is an economic downturn. Third, I like to see high returns on capital and equity, preferably a minimum of 15%. Fourth, if we are recommending a cyclical stock during a downturn, when the financials may not look so good, in which case we'll look at numbers like price to book value or dividend yields. For many analysts, that's the end of their research. For us, it's the beginning. At the next stage, we meet the management. We also do some scuttlebutting and check out the claims made by the management. It may shock you, but some managements don't tell the truth. We actually get in a car, on a plane, and visit these companies. I've traveled a lot in order to do this research. During the pre-COVID days, in just 3 years alone, I've traveled to Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Rajkot, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Kochi, Agra, Kanpur, Jaipur, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Nasik, Pune and Noida, and of course attended many meetings here in Mumbai. We have visited plants and factories to see for ourselves whether what the company says in these reports matches what is really happening. For instance, a few years ago, I met with the owner of a textile company in Coimbatore. It was the first time I had to take off my shoes before entering an office, as his office happened to be a room in his home. In times like these, when many companies squander money with swanky offices, which is of little benefit to the business and shareholders, it was nice to see a businessman being frugal with the company's money. I appreciate that quality. Importantly, there are hardly such cases where we haven't had a face-to-face or conference call meeting with the company. My team and I have recommended over 100 companies in the past few years. We have rejected hundreds and hundreds of companies, and in the process, we have traveled thousands of miles, over 11,230 miles to be precise, to support our research. Only when we are happy with the second phase of our analysis, that is management quality, do we then move on to phase 3. That's where we look at the financial projections, valuations, and margin of safety in the stock. Can the company really achieve what it says it can achieve, and how? Finally, my team and I sit down to discuss the investment idea, the upside potential, and decide if it is a company and stock we are happy to recommend to our readers.
Wow, that's a long, rigorous process.
Yes, it is. It's a lot of work, and without a solid process and discipline, it can get exhausting. And remember, many of the stocks that we research, we never recommend. That's because a company may not meet our stringent criteria. So the research and recommendations we actually publish are only a fraction of the work we do, but I wouldn't do it any other way. You could potentially get gains like some of our stock recommendations have done in the past, like 9,823% in Page Industries in just 12 years, 1,400% in E-Clerk Services in less than 12 years, 1,058% in Balkrishna Industries in less than 7 years, or 549% in NIIT in less than 7 years, 489% in City Union Bank in just 6.5 years, 330% in Kenpin Homes in just 2 years, 288% in KPIT Cummins Infosystems in 2.5 years, 258% in PI Industries in less than 2 years, and there are many more which I am not listing here. The list is very long. Now at this point, let me tell you one thing. Despite spending so much time doing the research and traveling thousands of miles to meet the company managements, it is possible that some stock recommendations may not deliver expected returns and even turn out to be loss makers due to the factors beyond our control. For instance, our recommendation on HEG Limited made 23.86% loss, Bartronics India was a 31% loss, and Shree Infrastructure Finance was a 71% loss.
In the stock market, there are no guarantee, right? Nobody can have a 100% success rate. What matters is whether you can consistently outperform the benchmark indices or not. And from what I see, you have done that extremely well. Since inception in 2008, Equity Master's small cap stock recommendation service Hidden Treasure has outperformed the Sensex by 2.3 times till December 2020. As you can see from the chart, Hidden Treasure stocks have offered internal rate of return or IRR of 25.6% since 2008, which is 2.3 times the Sensex IRR of just 11.4%. And this big outperformance is made possible by the dark horse stocks, which have the potential to deliver massive gains over the long term.
I would like to share with you a full suite of research and stock ideas from India's premier independent research house and your chance to gain instant access. Benefit number 1, monthly research containing my latest stock pick. Every month, you will get my latest stock market research report. This will come to you in an important email alert. It will contain research on the stock I believe has the best prospects for a multi-digit percentage gain in a few years. Just note that while I nearly always make a recommendation every month, there may be occasions when the view is not a buy. It's rare, but it could happen. So, I want to make sure you're fully aware of that possibility. Importantly, when you receive the research, you'll know that it has gone through all the full research process. Remember what I said earlier, we never recommend a stock unless we have either met the company management in person or over the phone. That extends to more than 100 recommendations. Benefit number 2, specific action to take, buy and sell prices. This is one of the most important things that we do. We give you specific action to take recommendations, you get the price to buy, the profit target, and when we eventually reach that target or change view in some cases, we'll tell you when to sell. This is so important. I see so much research where the analysis is wishy-washy and they don't even tell you when or what to buy. That's not how we do things here. You'll get everything you need. You'll get the full research, the recommended price, the ticker symbol, everything. Benefit number 3, we own our track record, monthly and quarterly performance reviews. Another difference between how we do things is that we own our track record. That means that we don't try to hide things from you. Once you become a member, you will see our track record in full, all the winners and the losers. And let me say, there are plenty of winners. Since inception, our recommendations have outperformed the Sensex index by 2.3 times until December 2020. Plus, we keep you up to date on the open positions on an ongoing basis. We don't just forget the stocks after recommending them. We cover and review everything and update you on every aspect of our stock picks, the positives and the negatives. For you, that means that you can forget scanning the business pages every morning, trying to decipher the latest info released by the company through their PR department. We do that for you. For every stock that we recommend, you will receive a monthly performance review as part of the service at no extra cost. You'll get to read all the updates for each stock, including any change to analysis or the opinion on the stock. Plus, we look at the quarterly result updates. In short, we leave no stone unturned when it comes to researching and analyzing the stocks that we recommend. Benefit number 4, confidential urgent market updates. We believe that information is important and that timely information is most important. That is why you'll get access to our confidential and urgent market updates. My team and I are looking at market every day. That means we are in perfect position to spot signals and opportunities that regular investors may miss. Sometimes a unique buying window will open up or we'll come across something important that you may need to know about right away. Whenever that happens, we'll send a special update directly to your inbox. So when you see these reports in your inbox, we suggest you pay close attention to the urgent updates. Benefit number 5, 24/7 members only access. At any time on any day, you'll have full access to members only research and analysis. Think of it like an exclusive private members club. Not everyone can gain access. Only those thoughtful subscribers who have seen the benefit in gaining access to our ongoing research will get access to this private portal. Inside, you'll find everything you need. Everything is filed neatly into logical categories so that you can find the research and analysis that you need when you need it with the minimal of fuss. This includes full access to the archive of research reports going back many years. Bookmark the special members only link in your web browser on your phone, PC or tablet or computer. Then it will only be one click away whenever you need access to it. I'm sure you will agree this is an outstanding opportunity, and I'm equally sure you're keen to know how to get access to all this research. Here, I'll hand over the presentation to Vijay. He'll explain how you can get your hands on every piece of my research in a matter of minutes. Over to you, Vijay.
Thank you, Richa. Richa and her team have built an impressive track record. Their level of research and dedication to delivering a top quality service to their subscribers is hard to match. As Richa mentioned, in a moment, I'll show you how to get Richa's and her team's latest research, plus how you can get access to archive of past research, and how to make sure you get her team's research for the next 12 months. Before I do, let me briefly take you through a number of other benefits you can become eligible to receive. I believe you're ready to follow our in-depth stock research, the research that has helped uncover incredible gains such as 9,823% in Page Industries in just 12 years, 1,400% in eClerx services in less than 12 years, 1,058% in Balkrishna Industries in less than 7 years, 549% in NIIT Technologies in less than 7 years, 489% in City Union Bank in just 6.5 years, 330% in Canfin Homes Limited in just 2 years, 288% in KPIT Cummins Infosystems in 2.5 years, 258% in PI Industries in less than 2 years, and there are many more. I can go on and on. This incredible track record of success is the reason why thousands of subscribers rely on Richa and her team to pick the winners for them. Hear out what some of them have to say about us. Sarat Kurup from Calicut says, "The very first day I earned 5 times of the subscription. Initially I invested in 2 of the stocks recommended by you. It was unbelievable. The very first day I earned at least 5 times of the subscription I paid. As informed, I invest for long-term benefits, especially as part of building a corpus fund before retirement. V. Venkataraman from Chennai says, I made 3 times money till date. Recharge service has added value in terms of exposing me to new opportunities available in the market. Brought to notice many new companies to me. In one of the stocks recommended, I made 3 times money till date. It was a very good find. Now, I'm confident that more opportunities exist in small caps and mid caps rather than large caps. Here's what Jaspal Sandhu from Mumbai says. Made gains of 156%, 53%, 70% in some of the stocks. I have made gains of 156%, 53% and 70% on some of my stocks. And here's what Anil Pannat from Mumbai has to say. More than 90% of picks have resulted in gains. I was lucky to acquire both money and knowledge in my association with Equity Master. More than 90% of picks have resulted in gains. I earnestly advise all my friends to subscribe to Equity Master. Now, there are many such messages we have received from our subscribers. I have shown you just a few. In a moment, I'll show you how to get access to Recharge's latest research. But before that, let me tell you about our next benefit. Benefit number 6. Your exclusive access to the Equity Master 24-hour mobile app. Do not delay in downloading this app to your smartphone as soon as you become a member. This will be your one-touch gateway to access our key research and analysis. The Equity Master app has been specially designed to provide a place where you can check stock market updates, charts, news, analysis, and everything else you may need right at your fingertips. The app is jam-packed with super useful tools that will help you keep track of your stocks and help you make sure you never miss a buying opportunity. Plus, you'll also be able to access all our research reports, special reports and updates. Benefit number 7, you are the most important part of a business introducing our dedicated customer service team. Too many businesses neglect their customer services obligation, but not Equity Master. Our customers are the reason we are in business. So we make an extra effort to look after you as best as we can. If you ever have questions about the research we send you, simply send our customer service team an email. They will get back to you at the earliest opportunity and explain everything you need to know. Plus, you will get these free bonuses. Bonus gift number 1. Private briefing in the inside scoop on Equity Master's best ideas. This is a VIP service that we only offer to our valued subscribers, written by our CEO Rahul Goel. Private briefing gives you the inside track on every piece of research undertaken by the Equity Masters team. As CEO, Rahul gets to oversee all the research by our team of analysts. That's important information. So every week he goes through this research, the reports, analysis, everything, and then sums up the key details in a concise, easy to read email. It's a type of information that if I were in your shoes, I know I'd want to see. Bonus gift number 2, Portfolio Tracker. Keep tabs on your investment performance at the click of a mouse. This is a great tool to allow you to keep track of all your investments in one place. You can use the Portfolio Tracker service to generate customized reports for individual stocks or your entire portfolio. It's an invaluable service which I'm sure you'll come to rely on. Just one thing on this, Portfolio Tracker isn't a portfolio management service and it doesn't provide recommendations. It's simply a valuable tool to help you research, analyze and monitor your own investments. Bonus gift number 3, Equity Masters Investor Hour podcast. Hear from the world's smartest investing minds. Every week we talk with some of the smartest investing minds from around the world. They'll share their investing secrets with you in a premium podcast. You'll get a chance to hear from top investing gurus. You'll hear about their best investing ideas, how they found them, and where they're investing right now. You've seen everything we have to offer. You've got a taste of the quality of the research. And you've seen the lens we go to in order to get the best research out to our readers. I've even shown you our impressive track record. Everything I've shown you can be yours, delivered to your email inbox in the next few minutes. In fact, I'm ready to hit send. To get immediate access, I just ask for one thing in return, that you take out an obligation-free trial of Recharge research service, Hidden Treasure. Hidden Treasure is India's premier stock research service. It focuses on the market's most exciting investment market, small cap stocks. Each month, Richa and her team hone in on what they believe is the single best investment opportunity. the type of opportunity that aims to reward our subscribers with big multi-digit percentage returns. As you've seen, you're within touching distance of gaining access to a whole range of important investment research. Monthly reports, monthly webinars, special reports, news and analysis, podcasts, portfolio tracking tools, and more. With all this on offer, I'm sure you're wondering how much it costs to get your hands on valuable research like this. Well, if you work out how many analysts that are working on this research, and if you factor in the many hours of research it takes to find a potentially winning stock, and when you add up the cost of flying all around the country to interview some of the best India's entrepreneurs, well, I think you'd understand if we charged a pretty penny for this high-level service. So let me ask you, how much do you think that kind of research is worth? If you wanted to buy comparably researched analysis from the likes of Goldman Sachs or HSBC, you can't. You can only get their research if you invest money with them. But when you consider the minimum investment amounts with those firms and the fees they charge, you're looking tens or hundreds or thousands of rupees in fees to access their research. The good news for you is that we don't charge that or anywhere near it. In fact, the cost of access our research is a fraction of what it would cost you to get it from one of those big firms. In fact, a one-year subscription to Richa's research service, Hidden Treasure, normally costs just Rs 6,000. As far as I'm aware, it's the best value investment research service you'll find anywhere in India. And for just Rs 6,000, I'm sure you'll agree that it's not only affordable, it's great value too. Remember, if you respond today, you'll get immediate access to Investor Essential number 1, 3 super small cap stocks, the dark horses of the stock market. As Richa mentioned, the next leg of the small cap bull run is likely to get even bigger, creating massive money-making opportunities over the coming months and years. She has already identified her top 3 stocks to capture potentially huge gains from this small cap bull run. Full details of this opportunity and the 3 stocks is contained in the special report, 3 super small cap stocks, the dark horses of the stock market. Today, under our special offer, you have the opportunity to get this special report worth Rs 2950 for absolutely free. Investor Essential number 2, 1 full year access to Hidden Treasure, India's premier stock research service. Each month we'll send you our single best investment idea, one of the most promising stock opportunity in the market. Richa and her team will do the analysis. They will meet the management, crunch the numbers, and will share with you everything they know about the stock. Follow that idea or wait for the next idea the following month, or search through the easy to access archives to see if one of those well-researched stocks is right for you. By any measure, Hidden Treasure is a terrific investment resource. It contains all the small cap stock research you'll ever need. And at the low price of Rs 6,000, I consider it to be the best value investment research service you'll find anywhere in India. But while I believe Rs 6,000 is great value, I want to remove any excuse you may have to not join my Hidden Treasure service today. That's why we have decided to offer a special discount. For a limited time, we are offering membership of the Hidden Treasure service for just Rs 2,950 for the first year. That's an incredible deal. We have set the price to make sure it is affordable as possible for as many subscribers as possible. For that price, not only will you get 1 year of research to the Hidden Treasure service, but you'll also get access to all the special reports and gifts we have mentioned before. Benefit number 1. Monthly research containing latest hot off the press ready to buy stock pick. Benefit number 2. Specific action to take, buy and sell prices. Benefit number 3. We own our track record. Monthly webinar and performance reviews. Benefit number 4. Confidential urgent market updates. Benefit number 5. 24/7 members only access. Benefit number 6. Your exclusive access to the Equity Master 24-hour mobile app. Benefit number 7. You are the most important part of a business. Introducing a dedicated customer service team. Bonus gift number 1. Private briefing. The inside scoop on Equity Master's best ideas. Bonus gift number 2. Portfolio tracker. Keep tabs on your investment performance at the click of a mouse. Bonus gift number 3. Equity Masters Investor Hour podcast. Hear from the world's smartest investing minds. Investor Essential number 1. 3 small cap revival stocks, the dark horses of the stock market. Investor Essential number 2. 1 full year access to Hidden Treasure, India's premier research service. All this can be yours in the next few minutes for the special discounted price of Rs 2,950 for a year's access. But while we believe that's a great deal, you may still have some reservation about joining. In which case, let me make it almost impossible for you not to try this out. Because if you respond today, you'll get to test drive Recharge's research for the next 30 days with a full money back satisfaction guarantee. I believe Hidden Treasure is the best stock market investment research service anywhere in India. In fact, I believe it's among the best research you'll find anywhere in the world. But I also understand that while it's easy for me to say that, the only one who can really decide whether Recharge's research is up to scratch or not is you. That's why I'd like to give you the chance to try Recharge service for the next 30 days with no obligation to stay on if you don't think it's worth the Rs 2,950 fee you'll pay for a year's access. You can join now, just click on the link below the screen. If at any point during the first 30 days you think Recharge's research, her research methods, stock picks, or the information and analysis she shares with you isn't worth Rs 2,950, you can contact us to ask for a full refund. Plus, you get to keep all the special reports we send you, and you're welcome to download as many of the Hidden Treasure reports from our website as you wish. Once you downloaded them, they are yours. Are you ready to grow your wealth? Are you ready to profit from the massive upcoming revival in small caps? If you've come this far, I believe you are. I believe you're ready to follow Recharge's in-depth stock research, the research that has helped uncover many dark horse stocks over the years. Stocks which have gone on to offer massive double, triple, and even quadruple digit gains in just a few years. To make the move now, just click on the link below. You'll go through to a secure order form where you'll have the chance to take out our year membership of Hidden Treasure. As soon as you do that, I'll rush a copy of the special research report straight to your email inbox. In addition, you'll get access to the full archive of research, interviews, and podcasts. It's all waiting for you at the link below. We are ready to send this research to you right now. We just need your permission to do so. Click below to go through to a secure order form. You're a matter of minutes away from receiving research and analysis on 3 of India's most exciting companies with the potential to deliver massive gains in the years to come. Don't miss out. Click below to get started. Subscribe now.